Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix comments not showing on YouTube. So guys, if you're using iPhone or Android phone and you have problem related YouTube comments not showing, I'll help you. How can you fix this problem? So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, now you have to open your settings. From here you have to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and now you have to go back on your home screen. So guys, after this you have to go back and you need to open your app store. If you're using iPhone, you have to open app store, and if you're using Android phone, you have to open Play Store in that phone, and here you need to search YouTube. So guys, after this you have to wait, open your YouTube, and you need to update your app if not updated, and after doing this you have to go back. So guys, now you have to open your settings here, scroll it down, click on general, and from here you have to disconnect your VPN if connected, and after this you have to reset your network settings from here, and after this you have to check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry, you have to click on iPhone storage, and after this you have to find here YouTube, and now you have to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.